Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
Following Jake here. We're gonna see. Oh, he's mud bog. He's bogging right here. Goddamn, where does this shit go to? This is straight water. Yeah, that's nowhere for us to go. Backing on up. Different path. Try though. Jake, you did it! Holy shit!
I'm not gonna get out of that when you got right into the top.
Look at this motherfucker! How in the hell? Oh! Shit! He actually made it.
I'm worried about this.
He's one-wheeling. There he goes. And all the way out. God damn, I don't believe he did that shit. Look at that. Front wheel drive. Who said they were bad?
In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. That was another one of our off-roading excursions in our secret spots. You know, we plan to do a lot more like that. We're going to make a lot more of these off-roading videos, and you know, we plan to have a lot more fun. To give you a little sneak peek for our next video, it doesn't have anything to do with this snowboard or this tow strap here. Don't worry about that. But yeah, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.